Hello students, I am Kavita Singh from Samarpan Gnyan school, and here today we will continue our 8th standard science chapter number 5, coal and petroleum. What you see on your screen students? Black gold. Yes. What is black gold? Yes, petroleum is called black gold because it yields several substances that are commercially successful, and useful substance that obtained for the petroleum and natural gas are called petrochemicals. And you know about the petrochemicals because in previous chapter number 4 we learn about the petrochemicals, that is synthetic fiber. Petrochemicals are used in detergent, man-made plastic and polythene also. What is natural gas students? Natural gas is a fossil fuel found in naturally as hydrocarbon gas mixture in the oil wells. But what is the hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon is a mixture of hydrogen and carbon. That's why it is called hydrocarbon, hydro and carbon. So it is called hydrocarbon. Okay, and its main compound is methane, butane. Okay, but it may also contain very amount of other higher alkyne like carbon dioxide, helium, nitrogen and etc. Now I will tell you some character of ideal fuel. What is the ideal fuel? First is it burns with a blue flame it is burned with a blue smokeless flame. You can see in the picture, here is the two diagrams pictures. First is food is cooked on the olden method, and here food is cooked by the LPG gas. So you can observe this picture. It burns with a blue smokeless flame. Okay, and here you can see no blue flame and there is lots of smoke. Second, it does not leave ash after burning. You can see no ash, but after the wood burning lots of ash is present here. It has a high calorific value. Okay, it has a high calorific value means it is burned easily and fast, but it's take a time for burning. When we give them heat, it will be burned after some time. Okay, so these three characters are the given in the ideal fuel. Okay, what first is blue flame, no smoke. Second, no ash. Third, high calorific value. So these are the character of ideal fuel. Okay, now here is the some example of natural gases. First is LPG and second is the CNG. Now what is the full form of LPG? You know very well and used at your home. It is used at your home in a daily life. So LPG is a liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, petrol here is gas is filled into high pressure and the compressed and filled into the cylinder. Okay, so here because compressor is high, so it gas is the change into the liquefied position, so it is called liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, and here is the CNG. What is the CNG? CNG is a compressed natural gas. Okay, CNG means compressed natural gas, and is the natural gas stored under high pressure. Okay, it is will be stored as a under high pressure in the cylinders. And why we use the CNG? CNG is used as a fuel generate power, and it is a cleaner fuel. Okay, it is a cleaner fuel and it is less polluting than petrol and diesel. That's why we use in the cars nowadays. Okay, so that's why its car color is green, because it is not pollute our environment. It is a less polluting than petrol and diesel. Okay, fuel in homes, industries can be supplied through pipes also, and LPG also supplied from the pipe. A CNG pipelines network already exists in the Vadodara in Gujarat, some parts of Delhi and some places other places. Okay, so these are the CNG. And what is the full form of CNG? Compressed natural gas. And what is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. And CNG is used in the vehicles, mostly in vehicles. Okay, now here is the what is good fuel. Okay, good fuel, there are the character of good fuel. First, it is a eco-friendly. Eco-friendly means it not pollute our environment. Second is conventions. Convention means it is easily available, easy to use. Economical means save our money. Safe means not harmful effect. And reliable means friend easily. Okay, so here these characters are for good fuel. And here is the CNG fact, because CNG is considered these things. Okay, here CNG facts. It is eco-friendly, convention, economical, safe and reliable. Okay, now next, here is the given map is told you about the coal mines, where is the coal mines are present in our India. So these points are given here: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and okay. So if you see that, you can understand these parts are available for the coal. Okay, so what is the first place? First place is Raniganj. Okay, Jharia. Second is the Jharia. Third one is the Bokaro. Fourth one is Talcher. Fifth one is Korba. It is in Chhattisgarh. Here sixth, Singrauli in MP. Here you can see the seventh, Singrani and Naveri. So these states are mainly famous for the coal. Now here second is the map is given and told you about the oil fields. You can see that is first place. Here is the first place, this side, and second place is this side. Two places are there. First is here, second is here, Digboi and Nahar Kati. Now third here, that is Mumbai High. Okay, and here fourth in our Gujarat. Fifth is also in Gujarat side, and sixth here, Ankleshwar. Okay, so these are the main point that where we get the oil. Now next is the natural gas, same like a oil. Here Assam and Tripura, Andhra Pradesh, Mumbai, Maharashtra and Gujarat. So these are the resources that of natural gases. Now next, effect of the burning of fossil fuel. What impact on our environment when we burn the fossil fuel? First is the air pollution. Air pollution, you know about it. What is the air pollution? Air pollution means it increases the pollutant in our air. The burning of fossil fuel result in the release of unburned carbon particles in the air. Okay, so it increase air pollution. These particles act pollutant and release air pollution. Okay, second is the global warming. Fossil fuels when burned release large amount of carbon dioxide. You know, when we burn the petrol or diesel, it will be produce lots of CO2 in our environment. Okay, so as the amount of carbon dioxide increase, its result in an increasing the global temperature. It will be give temperature, heat in our environment of the earth and leads to global warming. Now third is the acid rain. When we burn the fossil fuel, it will be pollute our environment, and pollute environment give acid rain. Okay, so these are the effect of burning fuels. Now here, you know, the substance are limited in our environment. Okay, some sources are limited, like coal and petroleums are the limited. So PCRA, what is PCRA? Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Okay, PCRA, Petroleum Conservation Research Association. So Petroleum Conservation Reserve Association advise people to save petrol and diesel while they driving and while they use. Okay, so here some tips for saving fuel. How can you save your fuel? First is a switch off the engine at traffic. Okay, means switch off the engine at traffic light or when you have wait for someone. So first point is that. Second is get your vehicle serviced at regular interval. Okay, when your vehicle is good, then you have a get good average, and it will be save your fuel. And second, correct tire pressure, maintain correct tire pressure. Fourth one, drive at constant speed and moderate speed. Do not use accelerator quite often. Okay, so these are the tips for saving fuels. Now here our chapter is finished. Thank you. Bye.